How to buy USDT on Binance P2P. Click on wallet. Log into your Binance account or app. I'm using the app. Go to wallets. Bottom right corner here where the arrow is pointing. Click on wallets. After that, you click on the funding wallet. There are many wallets. There is spot. We click on funding wallet where the arrow is pointing. After that, you click on funding. After that, you click on P2P. P2P wallet is here where the arrow is pointing. Click on that P2P. Then you choose the person you're going to use for payment. I'm going to choose MG Derek down here. Click on buy. Click on buy. You put in the amount you're going to buy. So I've put in the amount and then I click on buy. So after you make the payment, you transfer money from your account to the person you're buying from, and that's it. So send the amount to the number. So it's now finished. Thank you.